a case for obtaining the revenue statement. Accordingly, the instant requisition is dismissed.
May I get a copy of the report, ma'am?
So, third detail
Here and now,
there shall be our no rush to cause urgent errors. Yes.
But the authority concerned for PRA Pakra road from Bokshi to Puri. And he also made there. Earlier, these ministers came to our report. The Lordship kindly have a look at the order passed by the Lordship. Starting from page 27, operative portion, page 20. Fourth paragraph.
Yes.
In view of the above, the restriction is disposed of the device to submit a complaint. The presentation before the 9th respondent and his resolution officer. We follow from there, the design respondent directly after granting reasonable of all the party. And my lord, the decision taken by the authority shall be communicated. Therefore, the independent our such released. After thereafter, they did not take any steps according to the file a concept application. After receiving the notice of the constitution, there is 30 my representation. 30 my representation I have submitted as per order of the
Where is the regional order?
After that, regional order first phase 31A. Next up pieces.
Page number, sir?
31A. Now from last paragraph, this is the operative portion. The representation is taken up for hearing and disposal of advocate are facing by filing over the matter in their behalf. Hearing from the submitted, there are number such and such, there are plot number such and such, classified as Nala and Pukul. Corresponding to our plot number such and such are lying thereof with the name of Islam. There is some being my father of the presentation. Majidun Anwar and another, they are my confirmed evolution of interest of declaring from their DC. That is, you also submit for legal year certificate issued by the Kodana, Sajjad Gram. Knowledge advocate is then asked to submit a copy of the notification by the Howard Commission to express its intent towards the acquisition. But the purpose is stated earlier as
No, just a minute. Learned advocate is then asked to submit copy of the notice issue.
Yes.
Pending to the predecessor of the predecessor, Howrah Jilla to express his intent towards the alleged acquisition for the purpose as a token of proof. What does it mean?
Or which means, my lord, long back this land was asked by the Howrah Jilla Parishad for 2 years through. And my lord, as per further assurance, my lord, decision of the
On scrutiny of LA cases available in Acro, the
Now we
acquisition
very
no land
interesting-
acquisition proceeding for the same purpose.
very
For the
interesting.
purpose of construction of meter loads are concerned. As the acquisition is not made by the state office, to the owners
This is
of
very
the
interesting.
company doesn't apply.
On
Then-
scrutiny of LA case available in office.
Huh.
Scrutiny LA case is there. It appears that there is no land acquisition proceedings in the state Noida.
So where is the illegality in the order?
But I am asking myself, without any acquisition, how the authority started LA case?
Oh, before the LA collector, have you produced any notice under section 6?
No.
Then
Why, my lord?
how do you claim that you are your land has been acquired?
But this is the provision of law. Any land used by the government or authority, the compensation must be paid. And another person,
In the event the land is recorded under Khotiyan 1, what will happen?
no, this is not Khotiyan 1. This is not, Lordship kindly have a look, this is not Khotiyan 1.
Huh?
This is my Khotiyan, my own land.
Huh?
This is not under Khotiyan 1. Kindly have a look, they have what say, they have said.
So you remain in your Khotiyan, you remain in possession of your land.
But land has already been acquired and road has
Where
been
is,
prepared.
where is the notice?
This is the difficulty. Earlier, no notice has been served. Only for verbal assurance, the petition
Are
is long back.
in the new event, the government proposes not to acquire your land, they will not give you notice.
But they have acquired. This is the difficulty. They have
How do you
acquired.
prove that?
But that would let
Simply on the basis of your oral assertion.
let my line director to file a report. Whether they are
Reporter ki, that is
all
final.
Yeah. Let me come back. With photograph. Let me come back with photograph.
After
What is
seeing the
there?
photograph, I can understand whether land has been
Or
acquired.
the report by the
किच्छु
Pradhan.
नहीं मामला,
Report by the Pradhan. But there is a road.
instant
And they have
petition.
stated. They have
In the
stated the road is
instant
there.
petition, the writ petition is aggrieved with the
But they
order
are. But kindly give me 1 minute.
2023
But kindly give me 1 minute.
passed by.
But kindly give me 1 minute. Lordship, kindly give me 1 minute.
No, not is half a minute.
But kindly give me 1 minute. There is road is there. They have stated in their order.
Very good. In the instant writ petition, the writ petition is aggrieved by the order dated 1/3/2023 as passed by the respondent number 4 authority, being the special land acquisition officer within bracket G Howrah. Stop. This court has heard learned advocate for the writ petitioner and learned Mr. De, learned AGP, appearing on behalf of the respondent state and its functionaries. On careful consideration of the order under
Because my lord, the Khotiar number
Recorded
68,
everything. But
given notice, my lord. Al-120 is here.
Item number 23.
23. My lord, on 13.
Give me a second, sir. Give me a second.
Yes, sir. Brief statement of facts. 15 মিনিট ঠিক আছে
Yes.
Lordship, on 13/12/2023, the state respondents, my lord, published a notice inviting tender for the purpose of road user fee collection.
Road user.
Road user fee collection, in plain words, for toll collection. Now, Lordship, kindly plot the route of Panagarh, Ilambazar, Dubrajpur, that is State Highway 14, including Ajoy Bridge. Including Ajoy Bridge. Now, Lordship kindly comes to page 25.
25.
Yes. The first paragraph.
Yes.
PWD wants to engage complete road user fee RUF collection operator for RUF collection from commercial vehicle non-passenger at designated locations on few roads in the state of West Bengal serial wise as indicated at table location of road user fee collection points, lane configuration, etc. are tabulated hereunder. Before that, Lordship kindly sees the heading. This has been issued by Government of West Bengal, Office of the Superintendent Engineer and Project Director, Project Implementation Unit 1, PW Roads Directorate, that is from the Commissionerate Road, Hastings. Now, Lordship kindly comes to page 27. Lordship kindly takes the trouble to come to table number 1.
Yes.
Table 1 is relating to RUF collection with HNETC system integration and transaction acquiring services at fee collection plaza under NETC program through NPCI approved acquirer bank, including engagement of required manpower for operation of road user fee collection plaza for Panagarh to Ilambazar, Dubrajpur Road, SH14, including Ajoy Bridge. Now, Lordship kindly takes the contract period, sees the contract period. This contract period is for 1095 days.
Yes.
And Lordship kindly sees the earnest money deposit, the last column. That is rupees 50 lakhs.
next
Yes, sir.
I have deposited this 50 lakhs. Now, Lordship kindly comes to page 30, the table number 9. Point number 9.
Yes.
Point number 6, date of opening of technical proposals. That is on 10/1/2024.
You are referring?
I'm referring page 30. Lordship kindly sees the heading 9, subheading 6 and 7.
Date and time schedule.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Date of opening of technical proposals. That is on 10/1/2024.
Yes.
Now, Lordship kindly sees page 93.
93 93
This is the receipt of the earnest money of rupees 50 lakhs that I have deposited.
So you participated in the auction.
Participated, I fully deposited the earnest money as demanded. And
Then?
that is lying deposited with them. Now, Lordship kindly comes to page 106.
106
Yes, sir.
Page 106 is the opening of the technical bid.
106
I am one of the
Page list
successful
করা নেই।
tenderer. Now, Lordship kindly sees bids list number 4.
Four.
Number 4. RK
RK Transport
Private,
Private Limited.
that is your petitioner.
Read petitioner.
Now, Lordship kindly sees the table below.
Huh.
Technical bid opening summary, type is technical, summary, technical bid opening summary. Therefore, I am successful in technical bid opening.
Hmm.
Therefore, I have a right to go for the further bidding, that is for the financial bidding, and they are under an obligation
So
to carry
what
out. that
is this? This is for preliminary
This is the
scrutiny.
this is the preliminary part.
Preliminary scrutiny.
This is the result of the technical bid part.
Technical.
I am successful in technical bid part. I participated. I paid rupees 50 lakhs as earnest money that is lying with them. I am not successful in the technical bid. Now they are obliged to carry out further, that is to do the financial bidding, which they have not done. On the contrary, Lordship kindly sees they have.
Very next page.
Lordship kindly takes the trouble to come to page 107. The first bidding is done by the central office, that is at Hastings, Kolkata. The second bidding is done by the district office at Burdwan.
In respect of the
In
same
respect of almost same subject, Lordship kindly sees
collection of toll tax.
collection of toll tax on Ajoy Bridge over River Ajoy at Ilam Bazar in district Birbhum. Now, Lordship kindly sees the first schedule at page 26. At page 27, Panagar, Ilam Bazar, Rajpur Road, including Ajoy Bridge. Therefore, Ajoy Bridge is covered in the tender already invited by the centralized authority. Now, the district authority had no business to issue this notice inviting tender at page 107 only for Ajoy Bridge. Therefore, a vehicle passing through Ajoy Bridge,
No, who floated this tender?
this was again floated by Government of West
No,
Bengal.
previous one.
Previous one was also floated by Government
Superintending
of West
engineer.
Bengal.
It was the superintending engineer PW Roads.
Yes, from Project Implementation Directorate.
Give me a
That is
second.
the central one.
And it is also PWD Directorate West. Oh, it is Bardhaman.
Yes, and that is from the central office at page 26.
Page 25.
26, Lordship. 26 is the starting point. Page 27 is the route. Lordship kindly sees the heading. Government of West Bengal, Office of the Superintendent Engineer and Project Director. That is the Office of the Project Director.
Hmm.
Project Implementation Unit 1, PW Roads Directorate, Commissioner Road, Hastings.
Centralized.
This is the centralized body. Now, my lord, the district body is trying to curtail my rights. Now, Lordship, there will be the difficulty will be a conflict of interest. Two toll plaza at Ajoy Bridge, collecting from the same vehicles. And Lordship kindly sees the earnest money that they have to deposit is only 10 lakhs and the duration is 365 months. That is more than 30 years. At page 107. But arbitrariness has a limit.
Let us see who has committed the arbitrary. My land fund should have said the actual facts before going to the matter.
Yes.
But no, your lordship knows that.
Now, Lordship,
Just give me the.
No, no,
picture.
no.
Just
Let him finish. Let him finish.
No, I'm
Not now. Sir.
I'm not. But I'm giving the picture. But from Durgapur to the Kolkata, there is a place called Panagar. In a Panagar, just before entering to the railway bridge, one road goes to the Birbhum via Ajoy Bridge.
Left side.
Then,
If you come from Durgapur towards Kolkata,
then first
you have to go towards left side
left side, then it will reach to the Ilam Bazar, Bolpur
via Ajoy Bridge.
via Ajoy Bridge.
The road straightway goes to the Bolpur,
Yeah.
and the left hand goes to the Morgram
Yeah,
via Siuri.
Maharashtra.
I know.
And there is a different one place. Is one Ajoy Bridge separate, and another toll collections at
No. Ajoy Bridge is situated in between Morgram and Ilam Bazar.
Ajoy Bridge. This side Birbhum, this side Bardwan. And another bridge is there. One toll collection. So far as from Durgapur or Panagar, there is another toll collection would be done by the PW because
How many bridges there?
two bridges are there. Two bridges are there.
No,
Toll
sir.
collection.
I know.
No, but I personally
hey, Ajoy Bridge at
coming to went to my native village.
Sir, one bridge over the Ajoy is there,
Yes,
which is
That is
situated
old-
in
old one.
between.
that is the old one. That has been dilapidated condition.
That is which is operational now.
Ah.
In between Ilam Bazar and Panagar.
Panagar,
Another is Ajoy Bridge is there.
Ajoy
In
Bridge,
between Bhedia and that side, Bolpur.
when we are coming from Durgapur,
Left
left hand side,
hand side.
on the
Me
highway,
also.
straight
Ah.
highway. First, there will be a toll plaza. Then another toll plaza will be at Ajoy Bridge, Birbhum and Bardhaman. And that is the fact.
Oh.
How many? River is only one.
No, when this from the National Highway to Ilam Bazar, there are two toll plazas. One at Ajoy Bridge, another is this
Location.
National Highway. Am I clear to your lordship?
Location.
Just I'm coming from Durgapur.
Yes.
Then left hand side before Panagar, going to Birbhum. Then one toll plaza will be there. Another toll plaza on Ajoy Bridge. Two different things.
টোল প্লাজা ক্লারিফাই করে দিতে হলে অজয় ব্রিজের দোকানে
Oh, you want to say that there is a road which goes from Dubrajpur to Durgapur? That road?
No, but after crossing Ajoy Bridge, one road goes to the Ilam Bazar straightway via Shivri, then Modgram, and right hand side goes to Bolpur.
Right.
Okay, that is Ajoy Bridge. And another before coming to that, there is another toll plaza from Durgapur when coming before Panagar, left hand side. There is another toll plaza. Two different things are there.
No, how many bridges are there on Ojai Bridge?
Toll plaza is two. One at Ajoy Bridge, one at National Highway, State Highway.
You have floated tender.
For
You have floated two tender in respect of one bridge.
no, we have floated two different tenders, two places. One in Ajoy Bridge, that is in 2025, and 2023. This was cancelled because only two are available.
No, sir.
Also kindly comes to page 27.
For
27 is
Collection
the-
Plaza,
Yes.
for Panagar, Ilambaya, Dubrajpur Road, including Ojai Bridge.
So on bridge, there are two plazas, two toll plazas to be erected and short to be taken. Now, our list is very specific. It is very clear.
Two
Panagar,
toll plaza are to be constructed.
Panagar, Ilam Bazar, Dubrajpur Road, that is SH14,
Yes.
including Ojai Bridge. Therefore, Ojai Bridge, there is a toll plaza in the tender number 1. Whereas again in tender number 2, they want to collect it again from Ojai Bridge. Lordship kindly comes to page 107. Collection of toll tax on Ojai Bridge. I am here.
So,
My
near
interest.
Ilambaya, there is only one bridge over Ojai, over river.
Just before crossing the Bardwan district, there is a river called Ajoy. In the Ajoy, there is a bridge called Ajoy Bridge. In the
That is situated at which place?
just border of Birbhum and
In between
Birbhum and Bardhaman.
Panagar and Ilambaya.
Panagar and Ilam Bazar.
Yes.
Panagar and Ilam Bazar is called Ajoy Bridge.
That bridge is.
But
that bridge is covered
another
in-
toll plaza, another
Sir,
toll
sir,
plaza.
Let me understand in my way. There is a Ojai Bridge. There is a bridge on the over Ojai Bridge, Ojai River,
Yeah.
situated in between Panagar and Ilambaya.
But from Panagar, there are certain distance are there. Certain distance. One, when crossing the Panagar, there will be one toll plaza. Then another toll plaza at Ajoy Bridge. Two toll plazas are there. They are charging that should not be done. And cost of is too much high. But kindly see the first tender, and first tender, my land friend has not participated. Then second call was there. Second call he participated. Then he could not qualify. Then when this another tender notice was issued in 2025, he is challenging that. Then no, his business should not be curtailed. Is it possible, permissible? Public law.
What is the result of the previous tender?
Process is going on.
In the meantime, you have floated
Yes.
another tender.
Yes.
Yes, that is permissible because only for Ajoy Bridge. Only for Ajoy Bridge.
But the previous tender includes the Ojai Bridge.
No, but not this. But kindly see that. Page 26.
Muha muskil. There is only one bridge over the river Ojai in between Morgram and Panagar.
But kindly see.
In
Kindly
between,
see.
I'm sorry, in between Panagar and Ilambaya.
But kindly see.
Wherefrom we'll get the second bridge, I don't understand.
But that is in 2025. Kindly see page 107. collection of toll
Collection of
tax on
toll on
Ajoy
overbridge
Bridge
over-
over Divar Ajoy at Ilam Bazar in the district of Birbhum on the
So
Birbhum
it's the
division.
same bridge, same location.
No, separate place. I'm sorry, Malada, I could not.
Submit a report.
Yes.
But in
That-
the meantime,
that in the meantime, there itself there shall be a stay.
Malad,
There shall be a stay.
I'm beseeching your lordship, the public work. For public, people will suffer. And
Mine-
collection of
mine
the
is-
revenue,
mine is also
government
public
revenue,
work. Mine is
government.
also public work. I've deposited 50 lakhs.
No, I'm not.
On 21st, they are going to open the
He
technical
may not be successful in that financial bid
NHA কে পার্টি করেনি
and National Highway Authority not before your lordship. National Highway Authority has not been made party.
বলেছে ন্যাশনাল হাইওয়ে কে পার্টি করেনি
Only state has been made party.
ইয়েস বলেছি ওটাই বললো ন্যাশনাল হাইওয়ে পার্টি করেনি
What is the National Highway Party?
necessary party na collection thoda state করছে
State highway, but crossing the National Highway.
হ্যাঁ ওদের আলাদা প্যানেল লয়ার আছে ঠিক আছে, এটা পার্টি করেনি ওরা এসে বলুক
And this is State Highway 14. Ajoy Bridge, State Highway 14. And so far as 107 is concerned,
By filing the instant writ petition,
Grateful to your lordship.
Call the next matter.
একটি আমরা সার্ভিস কেটে না দেখুন মানে
না ওটা নিয়ে নিও তো এফিডেভিট অফ সার্ভিস as filed today trace record on.
ওটাই না
Number 6.
My lord, I'm for those two. 6, my lord, I'm for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, the grievance of the petitioner is, my lord.
Give me a second, Mr.
Yes,
Banerjee.
yes, yes.
What is the affidavit of service?
Yes, my lord.
Is there any private respondent,
No,
sir?
Only grievances, my lord,
The
against the
affidavit
state.
of service as filed today on behalf of the
That's the-
petitioner is taken on record. Yes, Mr. Banerjee.
So the petitioners are the owners of the land, my lord, purchased some portion of it, my lord, by one registered deed, and my lord, the other portion has been gifted to by the father to my lord to the two brothers, both the brothers, my lord, are the petitioners. Now the land is also recorded, my lord, in favor of the petitioners. Now, my lord, my case is, my lord, without any proceeding, my lord, my land is utilized by the state, my lord, for constructing a road. Without any proceeding initiated ever.
Huh.
My lord, no acquisition proceeding, no any other proceeding, my lord, nothing. My lord, only, my lord, in the road being constructed, my lord, under the scheme of, my lord, Pothosri. My lord, kindly, my lord, takes up page number 47. The photograph is annexed, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, this placard has been, my lord, posted, my lord, over my land, and my lord, the road is started to being constructed. Prior to that, my lord, no notice served, no acquisition proceeding ever initiated, nothing.
So a report is required to be obtained.
Yes, yes, certainly, my lord.
Or I shall direct the appropriate authority to consider your representation.
My lord, according to my lord, your lordship's, my lord, and my lord,
Who is the appropriate authority?
I have made a representation, my lord, to the land to my lord the collector. Kindly says, my lord, page number 51.
Give me a second, sir. Let me see your constitution, sir.
Video.
Oh, special land acquisition officer is there.
Yes. I my lord,
So
at this
the
moment, my lord,
BLR
I can,
also is there.
yes, my lord, at this moment, I
Mr.
can.
Bandyopadhyay,
Lord.
let BLR make a
No,
report.
my lord. No, my lord, it is not that, my lord. There is a, my lord, road which was constructed in the year, my lord, your lordship kindly turn to page 58.
2004.
Huh.
Page 58. What he has stated. That is his represent. আমরা শ্রী অংশুমান ভট্টাচার্য, শ্রী ধীমান ভট্টাচার্য এবং ধোঁয়া স্যার মহাশয় আমাদের নিবেদন এই যে বাবুল চক মৌজা ও ভোজপুর মৌজায় আমাদের কিছু ধানি জমি রয়েছে, যাহার উপর দিয়া বহুদিন পূর্বে একটি রাস্তা মাবুল চক হইতে হিজলি গ্রাম পর্যন্ত বহুদিন পূর্বে একটি রাস্তা গিয়াছে। মিলন উল্লেখ থাকে যে ওই রাস্তাটি বামফ্রন্ট সরকারের সময়ে 2000 সালে জোরপূর্বক জমিগুলির উপর রাস্তা করিয়া দেওয়া হয়, তাহাতে আমরা বিশেষভাবে ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত হয়েছি। তখন 5 ফুট করে উভয় পাশের জমি নেওয়া হয়েছিল। বর্তমানে পথশ্রীতে একটি নোটিশ বোর্ড দেখা গেছে, যাহাতে এই রাস্তাটি পিচ রাস্তা হইবে। আমরা বিএলআর মহাশয়কে মৌখিক জানিয়েছিলাম, উনি কাজ শুরু হলে লিখিতভাবে দিতে বলেছেন। গদ্য 7/24 তারিখে ঠিকাদারের কিছু লোক রাস্তা তৈরি করা শুরু করেছে। রাস্তা হলে আমাদের কোনো আপত্তি নেই, কিন্তু পুনরায় যাতে আমাদের জমি গ্রহণ অধিগ্রহণ না হয় সেই কারণে আপনার নিকট প্রতিবাদ জানাইতেছি। This is the contention of just the existing road, which is now under the Pothoskim scheme. It is undertaken by the Panchayat authority, my lord.
Sir, in the event it was constructed
Lord.
without taking appropriate steps or without making any acquisition,
Lord.
what is the difficulty in the event the BLR will make an inquiry?
Consider, Milord, this project, Milord, under the construction is the Panchayat authority, Panchayat Samiti. Here he has not made party respondent, but your lordship.
Pradhan has been made a part.
আমি দাও না পঞ্চায়েতের
সভাপতি
প্রধান করে দিয়ে
বলুন না,
স্কিমটাই
স্যার,
জানো না।
বলুন না, স্যার।
My lord, your
আমার
lordship
কথা
call for the report. I shall file the report either, or your lordship direct the BDO to consider his representation.
my lord, alone the
BDO is the, my lord, the executive
my lord, the
officer of the Panchayat Samiti.
my lord, the BDO
It is
alone, my
under-
lord, the
it is
measurement of the
undertaken
land,
by the Panchayat
whether my
Samiti.
lord any part of my land has been my lord further encroached.
No, no,
My lord,
PRO will make an inquiry.
Yes, yes.
BLRO,
That
my
I am
lord,
saying,
will measure your lordship direct the BDO to take assistance of the BLRO council to measure the land.
that I am
and
saying.
consider
Yes.
Ashwin.
And my lord, if any, my lord, if any it is found that in the
After
event,
demarcation.
my lord, in the event it is found that my lord, any, my lord, new
Listen
encroachment.
to my order, listen to
No, item number 7, my lord, I am for the petitioner. My lord, this relates to lease of sand mining block.
Who's for the state?
I'm for the statement.
I am for the respondent number 6. Added respondent number 6.
Okay. Check করেছো? কি করেনি? Check করেনি তো?
না।
তো my lord, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And thereafter we preferred an appeal, and appeal court has confirmed the order and directed us. Liberty was granted to.
Pay for early hearing.
Well, auction for sand mining block was up, and my lord, 3 crore 50 lakhs was the amount. I was chosen the highest bidder. I paid the earnest money, that is 1/3 of that sum, that is 1 crore 20 lakhs. I have deposited that amount. Thereafter, I got the environment clearance. I have deposited that. I have submitted that before the appropriate authority. And my lord, thereafter, it was by issuing corrigendum, the letter of intent was extended. Now, I'll kindly come to page first 27. Well, before I take it to 27, I'll kindly come to page 32. That is the check that I have deposited. Then I was referring banker's check. Then I was referring the corrigendum, that is at page 33, next page. The district magistrate Bakura is writing, extension of validity of letter of intent in reference to e-auction conducted on and from 27th December 2017 to 28th December 2017 for grant of mining lease for sand in sand block number such and such, located in plot number such and Bakuria jail number, all the details of the schedule of the land. Then with reference to the above noted subject, this is to inform him that the validity of the letter of intent as stated in the earlier memo number dated memo number such and such dated 27th February 2018 in reference to e-auction conducted on and from 2017 27th December 2017 to 28th December 2017 for grant of mining lease for sand in sand block number such and such, then is extended up to 31st May 2022. All other clauses as mentioned above. Now thereafter, Malad, page 34, Malad, kindly come to page 34. That is additional district magistrate on 18th February 2022 addressing me, Malad, in reference to the above noted subject and reference. This is to inform him that he has submitted the 1/3 of the bid premium amount and letter of intent was issued to him. However, he has not submitted the environment clearance EC to this end. Therefore, in light of the order issued by Secretary Department of Industry such and such dated 17th February 2022, he is hereby requested to submit the application to the state environment impact assessment within 31st March 2022. Now, my lord, kindly come to page 27, which I was showing. Kindly come to page 27. 15th June 2018, environment clearance for the proposed sand mining. My lord has got it. The member secretary of DIA at page 31 has issued in favor of me. Now, my lord, kindly come to page 36. Now-
36.
Now, my lord, kindly come to page 36.
So page number 26 is the environment clearance
Yes,
certificate
yes,
issued by the appropriate authority.
yes.
Then
Now, my lord, kindly come to page 36.
yes.
This is a letter of 3rd January 2022. I'm writing, my lord, I am Sri such and such, কোম্পানি ডিরেক্টর। আমার এই কোম্পানির নামে আপনার জেলার অন্তর্গত শালতোরা থানা এলাকার বাকুলিয়া মৌজায় সাচ অ্যান্ড সাচ একটি বালিঘাট পেয়েছিলাম 18 সালের 3রা জানুয়ারি, যাহার এওসি নাম্বার সাচ অ্যান্ড সাচ। এছাড়াও আমি এলওআই অ্যান্ড ইসি সার্টিফিকেট পাই। উক্ত ঘাটটির 1/3 টাকা আমি ডিএলএলআর ও বাঁকুড়ার নামে ডিমান্ড ড্রাফটের মাধ্যমে জমা করেছিলাম, কিন্তু উক্ত বালিঘাটটি এখনো পর্যন্ত রেজিস্ট্রেশন হয়নি, যাহার ফলে আমি সেই বালিঘাট
Registration means execution of a deed of lease.
that lease, my lord, execution of deed of lease, my lord, has not taken place till date. That was 3rd January 2022. Now, my lord, kindly come to the next page, page 37. 19th January 2022. Again, I have written, my lord, seeking for
So what is their
execution.
stand?
They have not stated anything till date. Now, my lord, kindly come
They
to.
cancelled.
No. Now, my lord, kindly come to the other writ petitioners who have also suffered the same way, and they have come before this court by the coordinate bench has passed an order directing the authority to consider to execute the lease in favor of them, and respectively the district authorities have also considered and executed the respective lease deeds. That is from page 43. My lord, the writ petitioner, my lord, kindly come to page 43. Then, my lord, kindly come to page 44. Another writ petitioner, Subir Kumar Ghosh, came before this court.
So let them submit it. What is your
It's a
stand?
report, my lord. I'm
With the-
But I will request my lord to kindly come to from paragraph 3, page 1, my lord. Page 1,
Give them a
paragraph.
copy.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
From there, my lord.
Page?
Page 1, paragraph 3. Page 1, paragraph 3. From 3, my lord.
Yes.
The main portion is starting from there, my lord.
Huh.
May I read, my lord?
Yes, sir.
In connection with execution of the mining lease deed, although the petitioner submitted environment clearance certificate issued by the district level environment impact assessment authority, white such and such, but the performance security and the financial assurance which were essential for execution of lease deed were not submitted by him in due time. Non-deposition of such security money results in delays in execution of the lease deed of the petitioner. Now, in the next paragraph, my lord.
Give me a second.
My lord. I haven't stated.
Huh.
Next paragraph. In the meantime, as per judgment dated 11 December 2018, passed by the Honorable National Green Tribunal, Principal Bench, New Delhi, in connection with executive application such and such in original application such and such, District level environment impact assessment authority was barred from issuing environment clearance certificate for areas of 0 to 5 hectares, and such certificate would be issued by the state level environment impact authority, my lord. Henceforth, National Green Tribunal is included such and such, my lord. The certificate has to be given from the state environmental impact assessment authority, my lord. Next paragraph, my lord.
The issue of the petitioner regarding non-submission of such security deposit was discussed in the 14th meeting of the District Committee for Competitive Building bidding of Bakura related to e-auction of sand mining held on 28th January 2020. In that meeting, it was decided to issue him a notice for hearing and further decided if the incumbent failed to comply the direction, the lease should liable to be cancelled and all the deposits will be forfeited without further reference. But said decision of the committee was not implemented later. And the next paragraph, my lord, as per decision taken in the 15th meeting of the District Committee of Competitive Bidding held on 21st March 2022, the additional district magistrate and district land and land reforms officer Bakura requested the petitioner to apply before the State Environmental Impact Assessment Authority for getting environmental clearance certificate for his proposed sand mining by memo such and such. Accordingly, based on a prayer submitted by the petitioner on 22nd March 2022, the district magistrate Bakura extended the validity of LOI up to 31st May 2022, my lord. By later suggestion dated such and such. Now, my lord, the most important paragraph, my lord. May I read, my lord? During such progress of executing the lease deed of the petitioner, it suddenly came to light that a special CBI RC case bearing number 22/2020 was pending against the name of Nirod Baron Mondol, proprietor of this present petition, my lord, for illegal coal mining. Hence, an instruction was sought from the Assistant Secretary, Department of Industry, Commerce and Enterprises, Mines Branch, Kolkata, for issuance of extension of LOI to Amrit Wintrade, including 6 other such and such. In reply, the Assistant Secretary, Department of Industry, Commerce and Enterprises, Mines and such, my lord, dated 29th March 2023, informed this end that the LOI may be extended except the case of the present petitioner, my lord. And memo number such and such, my lord, it is annexed in the last page, my lord. My lord, can come to the last page of the report. This is the additional district magistrate DL and LRO Bakura writing to the Assistant Secretary of the Government of West Bengal. In inviting reference to your memo such and such, my lord, on the subject mentioned above, I am directed to state that this department has considered your letter. After careful examination of facts, this department is of the opinion that the letter of intent, except in the case of sand block of such and such, my lord, the present petitioner, my lord, may be extended from your end, if that does not contravene any terms and conditions of the respective actions. So my lord, this paragraph, last paragraph, my lord.
No, is there a disqualification?
No, my lord, the CBI case is pending, my lord, against the present
No,
petition.
in the tender notice, there is any disqualification that in the event a successful bidder is found to be involved in a criminal proceeding, he will not be considered to be a qualified candidate?
That, my lord, it is annexed. I think not annexed, my lord, in the writ petition.
How many relevant?
My lord, first
It
point is
cannot be
this.
at your whims.
Second point, my lord, they have not submitted the state clearance certificate, my lord.
Have you asked
Submitted.
for?
Yes, my lord. My lord, the report, my lord.
Show me,
Page 2.
show me the communication.
My lord, page 2, my lord. Report, page 2 report, my lord.
আমি সাপ্লাই করবো কি আছে
Huh.
As per decision taken in the 15th meeting, my lord. Second last paragraph, my lord.
Requested the prisoner apply before the State Environment Impact Assessment Authority for environmental proposed sand mining. Where is that letter?
My, it's not annexed, my lord. If my lord,
Yeah.
the memo is here, my lord. Number is given. And my lord, once I can provide, my lord.
What does it mean?
May I, after obtaining leave from Mr. Dhar, my lord, may I suggest one thing? Tender process started in the year 2018.
Huh.
I have to guided by the tender notice or condition as embodied in the tender notice in the year 2018. After that, the modalities cannot be changed as per their whims and choices. 2018, you have said that you require this document. And if you logically takes up my what they are now trying to do, page 27. And the other things I'll come one by one. How, my lord, and what reason? This was issued by the District Level Environment Impact Assessment Authority.
No, that has been made part.
That is subsequent to that is precisely what, my lord, I am submitting before lordship. What is the basis of if you logically turn
11/12/2018 এটা তো আগেরটা 15/6/2018.
18. After that, before that, already there. So how a condition which is otherwise mandatory in nature can be altered subsequently? I put this question to myself.
No, at the time of considering, it was found to be part.
Yes, madam.
No, no, no.
So in the event that they obtain a clearance certificate, you grant them lease
And next is the security
without
deposit.
insisting upon that later.
And the security deposit. Another thing is the security deposit. Well, what?
Where is that later?
Nothing.
Which letter, my lord?
এটা তুমি বললে environment.
Performance security and financial assistance or assurance were there. Where is that letter that you have issued a letter to that effect?
Well, I have to then, my lord.
That is not annexed.
I will, my lord. The memo number is here. The date is also here. It will be there, my lord, in the files, the department.
Page 34, the letter which has been issued.
My lord is seeing page 2, my lord, of the report.
Memo has to
Page 34.
stop.
Cryptic report.
Page 34, your lordship will find.
Has to be solved.
কি বলে আমি তো বুঝি না ভাই।
See, that was communicated. So it is at page 34. The memo, the learned advocate referring, asking him to apply for EC before the SIA, because in terms of the NGT principal bench order, the environment clearance issued by the district authority became null and void.
And what is the date of this notification?
Page 34, my lord.
আমি যশোরকে ওটাই দেখাচ্ছি 17/7/2022.
The same thing.
Therefore, my lord, my tender will be considered on the basis of the subsequent notification, whether the retrospective effect is there.
আসুন।
Lordship,
And
kindly
one thing, my lord,
kindly see the
Sir,
language
appearing
of
on
the,
behalf of
I am for the response number 6. Now the
response
thing
is,
is,
who is responsible?
Lordship, my learned friend today is insisting that since the tender was invited prior to passing of the NGT's order, Lordship, for a once kindly come to the order passed by the Honorable NGT.
Respond number West Bengal Mineral Development and
Yes.
Trading Corporation Limited.
Lordship, since the auction was conducted by the district authority,
Your role?
now after 2021, in 2021, there is a new rule, Sand Mining Transportation Rule 2021. By virtue of these rule, my client has been designated as the nodal agency for grant of sand mining lease. The existing lease, which was granted by the district authority, after those leases are expired, that will be vested to the state of government, and thereafter the mineral development will invite auction for tender for allocating lease in favor of the successful bidder. Now, as on date, since the tender was invited by the district authority and 1/3 bid security was accepted by the district authority will grant lease. That provision is there. But Lordship, my learned friend is asking that since he already obtained a district authority environment clearance,
State legal, it is
Yes,
obtained
Lordship.
from the appropriate authority.
yes, Lordship, kindly for a once kindly come to the order passed by the NGT. It says that the EC already issued by the district authority, they have no jurisdiction. So he cannot say that since I have obtained an EC by the
The event, if I permit them to obtain
EC,
the EC
yes,
from the appropriate
Yes,
state
yeah.
authority,
yes, that is the
and in
letter.
event they deposit
All other, if
the
any
formalities,
other formalities are complied with, Lordship,
if all
CMI state will
yes, yes, yes.
consider their
But they have to
representation.
submit EC through SIA, not by the.
Definitely.
এটা কি যশোরকে দিন?
No, Mr. Rai, this cannot be seen right now.
No, this is the what they're saying that the
Listen to my order.
performance guaranteed money has not been deposited. This is the challenge. Deposit of money.
Deposit of money of what?
The performance security.
দিনই কে বলছে?
So why it has not been made
And
part
It
of
has
the
not been disclosed that this is the first time they are disclosing and this is the document. That is why.
and financial assurance?
Yes, that. All that. সেই চাই দিতে চাইছি তো।
দিয়ার জায়গায় SIA.
সিয়া। Sir, with reference to above, we would like to inform you that the response to the advertisement issued, I have submitted the details of the demand draft and application fee, undersigned bid security, intending to participate in the e-auction process on the following sand mining block. And amount of rupees such and such has been deposited. Now,
That has been shown by Mr. Dhar. That
this
has been
amount.
shown by Mr. Dhar. He is saying about performance security and financial assistance. I don't know what is that.
What is the
Very good. Listen to my order.
My lord, last my lord, page 34, my lord, once.
Ready? Endless.
May I read, my lord? Page 34. In
I have
reference,
read, sir. Listen to my order.
Communication.
Ashun. In the instant writ petition, the writ petitioner is
Declare.
Beholds the several judicial pronouncements passed by this honorable court, whereby this honorable court had held that the respondent authorities cannot charge permission fees at an exorbitant rate based on a notification which has already been quashed by this honorable court. And despite that notification and all those judicial pronouncements being brought to the notice of the respondent authorities, this letter has been issued. My lord will kindly take subject.
Deposit of permission fees for mutation of 100% share
Shares
by way of
will
will
probate
probate concerning
concerning plot number so and so. My lord will kindly take note of this notification. Notification number so and so dated 22nd June 2012. Before taking my lord to the concerned notification, I'm just placing before your lordship very
land manager. Who is representing the land manager? Service has been affected.
has been effected, my lord, through GP office.
No, you serve notice directly to the. The affidavit of services filed today is taken on.
Pardon my impertinence, my lord. The item number 33 was fixed at 2 p.m. today. But
No, there is a direct indication.
This, my lord, the motion will be taken up in the second half. My lord, I believe my learned senior, my senior, my lord, Mr. Kollal Basu is appearing for the petitioner. I am for the respondent, my lord. I am suffering an interim order. Your lordship had fixed this matter today at 2 p.m.
It will not be taken up
It
today.
will not be taken up. My lord, they've also wanted to take some time for
filing a
supplementary
affidavit,
You are seeking leave to
because
file a
certain
supplementary.
documents which is required for the adjudication of the lease, lordship.
Lordship, may kindly fix a date, my lord, so that, my lord, next week, my lord,
30 করো না,
any date it will
কবে
come is
ফাঁকা আছে নেক্সট উইক কবে আছে
29 অথবা 30 করো না, 25 তারিখ হবে না।
What is the matter about?
So this is with regard to a brick field, my lord. This is a brick field operation. I have given it. The state has given it to these persons to operate as a brick field. The contract has long expired, my lord. They are holding it illegally, my lord. They are not vacating it. They have not paid the royalty. They have not paid any user charge.
What is the read for?
The rate
Read
they have,
for challenging
they
the
have,
enhancement of the usage charges, lordship.
24th April. Very good. On item number 32.
Item 33.
33
লিখে রাখো তো এটা on PIA
item number 9.
Lordship, most humbly, my lord, I beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner.
Who is this? Who is for the state?
My lord, I have served.
Right?
Land acquisition officer, my lord.
Not today. হয়তো অনেকে নোটিস করেন Mr. Dev, why do not keep it a list like in a bail bench what they used to keep them? This matter has been assigned to this matter has been assigned to him. No, which office distributes the case? GP office. No, you are the AGP, you ought to have been given a list so that you can enlighten.
Yes, yes.
Not today, করে আপনি
Much
মুশকিল ব্যাপার।
আচ্ছা আমাদের রেসপন্ডেন্ট নাম্বার 9
This is a private respondent.
প্রাইভেট রেসপন্ডেন্ট
Mr. Dey is appearing for the state. কি চাও? এই করলেন? এই দুটো এসে একটু কনসিডার করে দিই। Sir, what is your prayer? You have made a long prayer in one sentence. I don't understand. What is your prayer?
Made a representation, my lord, kindly page 28.
বাপরে বাপ, এ তো এত বড় লম্বা যে আমি
Consider.
my lord page. They have made any encroachment?
No, yes, my lord. Encroachment was declared, my lord.
Page.
Page 22, my lord. DLR already inspection the spot. Page 22.
এটা বলছে এটা
What is page 22?
Page 20, my remark column. BLR already inspection the spot and two-story building on the particular plot of PWD in front of the petitioner house. They did not entertain egress and ingress. Therefore, my lord, we made an application before the Honorable Justice Sampar Sarkar.
So wait. Sir, a little bit slow. Please kindly page number 22.
Page number 22. My remark, my lord, kindly see.
What is page number 21?
21, my BLR report. Petitioner made an application, my lord. Yeah, earlier, my lord. There are lots of Honorable Justice, my lord, page 90.
Give me a second. The state two-story building is situated within the periphery of 60 feet from the middle of the present metal road as per the merit provided by the Lokikanto Highway Subdivision.
Yes. Therefore, we made an application before the authority, my lord. Kindly, they unauthorized construction on the made of the PW road in front of the petitioner.
What does it mean that they said two-story building is situated within the periphery of 60 feet from the middle of the, so it is within the
Yes.
Government land?
Government land.
Huh?
before that my lord, kindly turn to page 21
Yeah. So it is within the
PWD road.
So encroachment is there. Yes, then what is your contention?
We made an application, my lord, before the page 28.
That application should be considered
That application
in the presence of both the parties, my lord. That is the
For initiating a proceeding under section 10,
Yes.
my lord.
64 act
West Bengal Land
Highways Act.
Highways Act, 1962.
Yes, what is your contention?
before page 21 my lord, kindly see
Page number?
21
What is that?
the schedule of the plan land schedule
Uh-huh.
plot number 249 and 250 last paragraph my lord, kindly see
Huh.
as per the available land records is concerned
The above mentioned plot is Rayati
Huh.
in nature. During inquiry, as per the map provided by the Lokikantapur Highway Subdivision, it was also revealed that a two-storied building exists in plot number 249, that is Rayati land.
Huh.
Whatever may be the construction is over the Rayati land. I have not encroached in any portion of the PWD land.
My lord, today's inquiry was made by the BLR.
No, my lord. Earlier petitioner made a application. Thereafter, Honorable Justice Sampasarkar directed to the BLRO. Dhaki to my lord Khadi. They demarcated the land. In the demarcated land, if the plot of land, money stored building was there, you will take necessary step. But can you see the order?
আসুন
Well, my lord, I am appearing for the petitioner. This is for non-payment of compensation. I must confess, my lord, this acquisition proceeding was initiated under the West Bengal Land Acquisition and Acquisition Act in 1970-73. Now, my lord, after a long lapse of time, the petitioners are approaching your lordships.
Who is for the state?
Which are they for this state?
Hmm.
The respondent.
You are for?
The respondent.
Respondent? Which respondent? It is governmental mamla. Private respondent ki? No, my lord, the acquisition was taken under section 3 of the Land Acquisition and Acquisition Act number 72-73. Then, my lord, 4-1A notification was published on, just a minute, my lord.
So what are you doing for a long time?
Yes. So, my lord,
Yesterday, your lordship passed the order.
Ah.
All are similar, my lord.
no, here I join the issue before your lordship. My lord, your lordships may pass an order, but subject to correction, my lord, your lordships can always revise the order. If I can show to your lordships that it will be proper to direct the respondent to pay compensation because of the reasons or because of several decisions passed by this court and also by the Honorable Supreme Court. Your
Let
lord,
them submit a report.
yes, let them submit a report.
Report would be possible to submit a report.
My lord, I have.
Report in the form of affidavit, no problem, my lord. I want that.
My lord, your lordship will come. Page 31. Jamaluddin Momin Mal, who filed for RTA, he is not a party of the process.
It maybe we have collected it from Mr. Jamaluddin.
Yes, place your case. Thereafter I shall consider. What do you want to say?
Your
Yes.
property was taken purchase of under West Bengal Act of 1948 in 1970-73.
Huh?
1970-73.
Under which act?
Under West Bengal Act of 1948, West Bengal Land Requisition
Act 2 of 1948. Yes.
Act 2 of 1948.
From whom?
From the petitioners. From the petitioner in interest of the petitioners.
Where is the notice?
My lord.
Where is the notice?
My lord.
Have your predecessor in interest received the notice?
No.
Then?
We have given the plot numbers from which it will appear that our land are acquiring, our land are included in the notice which we have annexed in the requisition. Requisition notice that is at page 27.
Page
27, 28. That is the section 3 notice.
For
Our
requisition
plot
of
number
land under subsection West Bengal Act 247 and
yes. This is the requisition order. Lord, our plot is 446, that is it included in page 28.
Next page, sir.
446. In the state in part 4, you are kindly come to in plots in part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 444, 446. Kindly mark. Then we are 447. Next plot. Then we are 1144. We are after some time 1144. 1144. That is included in this requisition notice. But till date, no compensation has been paid.
No, this is notice. Thereafter, what happened?
Thereafter, nothing has been done by the government. They have utilized the land. If your lordship so wants, my lord, I just telling your lordship the background of the history of Act 2 of 1948. Now, 1948 is a pre-constitutional act. Now, this was passed, this was a temporary act.
Mr. There you submit a report. It's very difficult.
Form of
to
an
dissolve.
affidavit.
My lord, then he filed an application before the authority. Authority will consider his application.
That will not be. That will not be.
No, you submit a report.
You submit a report. Kindly submit a report in the form of an affidavit.
On careful consideration of the entire materials, it reveals
তুমি কি পরের গুলো আছো?
না।
My lord, next two matters are same acquisition proceeding 13 and 14.
ওই সেম ডেটে দিয়ে দাও সব সেম অর্ডার সেম ডেট
নাম্বারটা বলো।
15 is also same.
Yes. No. Last matter, my lord.
কালীপদ মন্ডল
15 my lord. 15 my lord, the petitioner wants to withdraw.
I am appearing for the state respondent, my lord.
15?
Yes.
15 petitioner wants to withdraw with liberty to file.
Oh, he wants to withdraw.
Oh,
There is a disputed question of facts.
okay, so
Yes.
Uh,
পরের দুটো। তাহলে কে
who is in 16?
16 I'm
এই নামগুলো যেন ভুল না হয় দেখেন।
at the outset I'm submitting before lordships.
Oh, my হাতে দাও
Page 107, lordship can see the order, earlier order.
কত পেজ বললে? 107।
107. But Lordship, before that, Lordship, kindly come to the page 103.
Who is for the HITCO?
I am paying.
At the outset, I am submitting my this writ application is required to be affidavits. Before that, I
Yeah,
come.
that is-
So the page
Page number
103.
Yes.
Lord, I am drawing Lordship's attention, second paragraph, bottom portion.
Yes, sir.
The plot number such and such are the outside of the Newton project and within the planning area.
You are reading which portion, sir?
And this is the second paragraph, the bottom portion.
The sentence starts from?
Transform the third line, giving a reply being memo number such and such, intimating that CS dag number such and such, Mouja Noapura are outside the Newton project and within the
Giving
planning.
me a reply.
Yes, this
Being
is the
memo number such and such, dated such and such, intimating CS dag number, LR dag number are outside the Newton project and within the planning area. What does it mean?
my land. This is the
Outside
purchase.
the new town project.
This has been reply has been given. So
Within the
disputed,
planning area, what does it mean? Grammatical meaning I want to.
Lord, that is I'm to say, my lord, my purchased land, the HITCO claiming that this is within the area of planning area and the not the acquisition proceedings, my lord, involved. But in this planning, this intimating that Siddharnama such and such Moja are outside the Newton project.
So it has not been acquired.
Not be acquired. This is the things, my lord.
So it is within the planning area.
But
Then-
Lord, coming, Lord, I come before this court, my lord. The order has been passed. Lord, kindly come through this order. And Lord, order page 107.
Huh.
The HITCO was directed to
Consider.
and reply.
Huh?
Consider and the exercise among the in view of the above, the respond number 3 under appropriate authority, HITCO, by way of written communication with the supporting materials, documents, and records shall inform the petitioner whether these two plots are referred above have been acquired following the date of procedure of law or not. This is the only thing whether the land in question is acquired or not. Not in question. Now, your lord, see the what is the order communication has been made. The next page, page 11, page 109. Page annexer P11.
Page?
Page 109. With reference to the above subject, I am directed to inform you that RS plot number such and such, Moja such and such, Rajarat are not acquired for Newtown project and outside the project area. It may be added that RS and LR plot 324 and 325 of the same Moja within such and such area corresponding to CS plot number 314 and 315 respectively are fully acquired with white land. Now, they have admitted one question that the plot number RS 324, 325 same Moja are the link with the CS plot number such and such. Wherefrom they have come to this conclusion. The HITCO is the requiring body, not the acquiring body. How they have come to the conclusion? So my response submission.
Page number 103 is your letter.
103.
Yes.
I'm giving my letter. But apart from that, thereafter the order passed by the High Court, on terms of the order, the reply has been made 109, page 109. How the HITCO come to the conclusion? HITCO is the requiring body, not the acquiring body. The plot are same. So my responsible submission in this matter, my lord, I
So
request to be repeated.
the DITCO has the answer to you because of the direction of the coordinate
That's
bench.
true. That answer should be authenticate. TITCO is the requiring body. He cannot be say that the same, it may be that RS plot such and corresponding to CS plot number, where from they have gathered collection gathered. I could understand after holding inquiry and the proper holding the records, on the basis of that, nothing has been made.
324, 325.
Yes.
Corresponding to CS plot.
How they amalgamated to that? And it also the not, it may be added. So there is some confusion is there.
Yeah, I do not, I'm really confused. What is your submission then?
Submission, my respectful submission, my purchase land at the my lord, the LR plot number such and such. HITCO says that the land has been acquired by the
In support of that, they have given the document.
What documents has been annexed? What documents has been annexed?
The notification has been annexed.
This notification is not with it. Notification is relating to the RS plot. I am not notification relating to the RS plot, not CS plot. In page 112, my plot is 324, 325. Which has been annexed. This is RS plot. Not CS plot or not LR plot.
So why is the predicament when the matter was moved before a coordinate bench? You could have asked the coordinate bench that instead of directing such and such authority, kindly direct such and such authority to provide the information.
No, my lord, kindly see the ordering portion, page 108. In view of the above, the respondent number 3 and of the appropriate authority of HITCO by way of written communication with supporting material documents and records shall inform the petitioner whether these two plots as referred to the above have been acquired following the due process of law.
I am for that. This LR plot is corresponding to CS plot, RS plot.
That is valid, that is without instruction, it is not possible.
How can I say?
As my lord, it is RS and LR plot, that is also the same moja with ato, corresponding to CS plot number.
Cannot be said.
The notification is with regard to RS plot.
RS plot.
RS plot.
And according to you, purchase which plot?
LR plot.
LR plot number?
LR
324, 325.
Yes.
24, 25. That was acquired.
No, his grievance is that
That was acquired.
at the time of acquiring RS, in the
My lord, if your
notification,
lordship,
RS plot,
my lord, kindly, if your lordship kindly permits me, my lord, kindly sees that their title deed which they have annexed. Kindly comes to their schedule at page 95.
95.
Yes. This is their schedule. They have pleaded this. Kindly sees the schedule at 95, 6th line. Comprised in part of CS DAG number 314. Has your lordship got it, my lord? In the schedule, comprised in part of CS DAG number 314 and 315, corresponding to RS LR DAG number 325, 324, 325. RS, it's also written RS. You can't ignore RS. RS LR DAG number 324, 325. Now your lordship will kindly have a look at.
It matches.
It matches. Now your lordship will kindly have a look at the documents given. Kindly takes page 110. This is the notification. 10 June 1996. Kindly turns over to my lord page 112.
324, 325.
324, 325.
That is only
RS plot numbers. So in the deed also it's RS plots given. In the plan also, your lordship would find that also in the plan. I'm sorry, I should have placed that before. But if your lordship kindly takes a look at the plan once at 97, it's RS DAG numbers 324 and 325. Page 97. But everywhere in this plan, which forms part of the deed, At page 97, your lordship would find its RS Dag number 324, 325 given.
This number?
Well, kindly sees the second line from top.
Ah.
RS Dag number 324, 325. Then kindly sees area of land part of RS Dag number 325. 15 Chitax 08 square feet. Then RS Dag number 325, 6 Chitax 00 square feet. Total area is 1 kata 5 Chitax 8 square feet. This is the gift deed. And my lord will find the donee Shabir Ali Mondal, who is the petitioner before your lordship.
So what is his prayer?
But your lordship will see, my lord, I have not been able to understand it because from the acquisition records, I find this fully acquired. Kindly sees their prayer. They're wanting this letter to be withdrawn and they're wanting to reconsider their representation. And they're wanting that the land be restored, cancelling the LA case against the land.
My lord, kindly see, my lord, annexure page 86, page 86. This is the LR records. After purchasing, the land has been mutated in the LR records.
So it is a post acquisition purchase.
I think yes, my lord. That is
Nothing has been
possibly
stated.
what is coming from
Nothing has
this.
been stated.
Then why you will come?
Then your lordship, sir, how the record has been mutated. Page 86. Page 86.
When you purchase the land?
Yeah, I have annexed the document.
This is a gift deed.
Yes, when it has been executed?
This deed has been executed sometime in 2022. I guess, my lord, kindly permits me to. 11th March 2013. Your lordship will find the deed starting from page 90, your lordship.
Page?
90.
90?
Yes.
2013.
Yes.
Acquisition was completed on?
This is 1997, your lordship, 1996. 10 June 1996 is the, my lord, Gazette notification at page 110.
1996.
Ashun.
And only things
By
for a
filing
moment.
the instant need petition,
Or what's happened, my lord? Subject matter.
Purchase post acquisition, I will grant you liberty.
No, my lord,
Sorry.
your lordship held that.
Call the next matter.
Lordship held. Not the things for my lordship held that the land in question acquired.
Mr. Maiti, your matter is over. You know better than me what to do now.
17, sir. My lord, I am appealing for the state, my lord.
Ready or not ready?
Advocate, Miss Nivedita Pal, who is
Where is your
appeared-
brief? You are ready?
I am
Make
ready
your
for not
submission.
today.
Then why is you not ready?
My lord, I pray time
Madam
for
Nivedita Pal was found sit there. I find in the morning.
She left the court.
Why she left?
Due to some urgency.
my lord, I
She
pray
left
for
the court.
time, my lord, for instruction. For instruction. 10 days.
As per request made at the bar.
Time for the petitioner or
Not today.
grateful that's it.
How long you are practicing?
That's it. 2 years.
2 years.
More than 2 years.
More than 2 years.
That's it.
In which side you practice?
Recently, I transferred in the civil side. but
Recently?
Previous and I am practicing in the criminal side, but now I'm
Shifted to civil
let's see.
and constitutional side.
Let's see.
Most welcome, sir, madam. What's your good name?
Sushmita Goroi.
Susmita?
Goroi.
And you left criminal practice?
Let's see.
Almost.
Not almost.
This is your choice. Not today. Yeah.
19 minor, I beg to appoint the state respondent.
And for the petitioner, my lord.
Ready? Very good. Very good.
My lord, the petitioner is the owner of
Give me a second. What's your good name?
Harsha Roy.
Where is the private respondent?
My
I will
lord,
serve.
I have served, my lord.
Give it. Where is your representation?
Page 27, my lord. Page 27.
Let her speak.
Lords.
Page 27, my lord.
So He is to consider.
My lord,
Who will consider? Respondent number?
my lord, the assistant engineer, the respondent number.
Respondent number 5, my lord.
5. I had seen you in code number 12.
My lord.
You used to appear before our division bench. Presided over by Justice Das.
Yes. Rupa
Very
and
good.
Dev, my lord.
Ashun. The affidavit of আপনি এবার লিস্টটা কল করুন, লিস্টটা কল করুন, তারপর যদি লয়াররা করলেন বলুন না।
My lord, Advocate Bikash Goswami is appearing for the petition.
Not today.
My lord, appearing on behalf of the private respondent 9 and 10.
My lord, I appear on behalf of the petitioner.
You'll do.
Yes, yes.
I'll take no more than 2 minutes, my lord.
It's up to you. If
Take it on Monday, afresh.
No, I am here. I am up to here.
Yes, yes.
No issue.
Very short matter, my lord.
Very short matter.
Very short matter, my lord.
দাও করে দিই। 22 দিয়ে দিন।
21.
21.
21.
21. Sir, হবে আপনি একটু বসুন স্যার। My lord, I beg to place the affidavit of service on record.
Is there any private respondent?
Yes, sir. I am appearing on behalf of the respondent 9 and 10.
Which state? Which for the state? Then not today. নাহলে হবে। There is a resolution of the part, na? Go on calling the list.
So the affidavit of service I will be placing on the next.
No, yes.
Much obliged, my lord.
I'm appearing on behalf of the
May I take it? May I take it?
Milord, resolution is there, Milord.
Resolution is a injunction is upon you. What can be done? I'll call. If you are not agreeable, don't participate. I will not pass any adverse order.
Go beyond the, my lord, the order
Very good.
of the resolution.
Let me call the list. Thereafter I'll down. I'm not today. Not today.
very short matter.
So your members are opposing.
আমাদের বারের রেজুলেশন এবার তুমি করবে করো, দ্যাট ইজ আপ টু ইউ।
কনসিডার করবে তো?
Consider, হ্যাঁ।
only consider মানে কোথায় আছে দাও তাহলে আইটেমটা তো।
আমার কি মাইলরটা বলবে না, আমি মাইলর শুধু বলবো মাইলর
It is your issue, resolution, you people decide.
মানে in the year 2016, e-auction was made and petitioner participated in the said e-auction. And the petitioner was found highest bidder and paid 1,50,00,000 fees against a sand block. Lease was granted also. After grant of lease, it was found that the quality of sand is very bad, mixed with sand, and there is no quantity of sand. Unless kindly come to page 60. 62.
Decision order has been passed.
Yes, I'm coming, my lord. Very short matter. On field verification, it was found that there is quality of sand is bad and there is no sufficient sand, and they decided to refund the money. That is in page 58. A writ petition was filed earlier, and this Honorable High Court directed them to act on the basis of this letter. Now, by afflux of time and after going several rainy seasons, huge deposit of sand has been made. Now we have made an application. Allow me to resume the mining operation. That is in page 66. It can be done under the law.
Yes.
So under the law, it can be done.
60?
If it is 66 is the representation, and under the law, it can be done. From 2017, my money is lying with them without any interest, and law permits for resumption. If it appears that the mining operation was uneconomical, and it is the case.
But it has not been considered.
No.
And
under the law, there is no bar, they can.
Just go on calling.
Number 24. 25. 26.
नहीं तो क्या बात की तो तुम्हारा ऑपोजिट को नहीं है तुम्हारा ऑपोजिट को ना
28.
कैंडिडेट will have first petition not today
29. 30. 51.
দেখে যান সবটা রাখুন।
$58, $59, $60, $61, $63, $65, $66, $67, $68, $69, $70, $71, $72, $73, $74, $75, $76, $77, $88, $89, $80, $81, $82, $83, $84, $85, $86, $87, $88, $89, $90, $91, $92, $93, $94, $95, $96, $97.